are short vowels that we use. A vowel is in every word, every word, every word. A vowel is in every word that we read or write. A-E-I-O-U, A-E-I-O-U, A-E-I-O-U are long vowels that we use. Ants on my arm, ants on my arm, ants on my arm, they're causing me alarm. Eggs in the pan, eggs in the pan, eggs in the pan, crack the egg like this, Inky the mouse is my pet, she spilled the ink and got wet. The ink is spread all over the desk, Inky's wet. Now it's dark, the lights go on, oh. Time for bed, the lights go off, oh. Up go umbrellas, up go umbrellas, up go umbrellas when it starts to rain. My ear hurt, I was in pain, My ear hurt, I was in pain, what did you try to say? See the donkey in its stall, E-O, is its call. The captain said aye, the captain said aye, stand up straight, don't be late, the captain said aye. Oh, did you see the billy goat? Oh, did you see the billy goat under the old oak tree? I'd like to have a barbecue, you. I'd like to have a barbecue with you and you and you.